Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. So you get to your RV campground and you go to plug in your RV. Pull your cord out to plug it in and you notice this. Now how it got like this, nobody knows. Nobody's gonna fess up to it. Probably the kids yanking it out by the cord, or maybe you drove off while it was still plugged in. Regardless, it's not safe, it needs to be replaced. What are you gonna replace it with? Well, Camco makes just the thing. Powergrip brand male plug replacements. This particular RV has a 30 amp plug. Now for 30 amp, we've got two options. You got your standard size power grip handle, and you've got your mini power grip handle. The mini power grip handle is for if you have one of those power cord cable hatches. This will fit directly inside there and it'll allow the door to be closed during travel. First thing we're gonna do, we gotta take the head off this thing.
Both with its head!
Alright, well, now Camco doesn't recommend that you remove the head of your RV power cord with an axe, but it has to happen somehow, right? Next thing you're going to do, you're going to remove your replacement head from the package. And then once you do that, your instructions are right inside. Just unfold it, and there you go. It's pretty easy to follow the steps. Let me show you how. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to strip the wire according to the wiring diagram. In this case, we're going to strip 3 inches of the outside cable off, being careful not to cut the wire beneath. And now inside your cord, you got 3 wires. You got your green, your white, and your black. We're going to strip 1 inch of the green wire, and we're going to cut the black and the white wire about 1/4 inch shorter than that, and strip an additional inch off of those. Next thing you're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to remove the cover and the strain relief clamp from the replacement head. All you need for that is a Phillips head screwdriver for each of these screws here. Here's your strain relief clamp. And there you go, there's the inside. Woohoo! Now that we have access to the inside of the replacement head, we have to loosen up the terminal and clamp. The way you do that is you're going to just give the prongs a push to raise the terminal up just enough to access the screw to loosen it. So we'll go ahead and loosen up each of these. So now that we've got our terminals loosened up, we're going to go ahead and insert the wires. The green wire is going to go on the top where the green screw is. The black wire is going to go where the black screw is, and the white one is going to go in the only place it's left. Alright, so now that we're all clamped down and the terminals are fully seated in the body, sticking all the way through, we're going to put this thing back together. We're going to put the cover back on. Alright, so now we got to put the strain relief clamp on. But first we need to determine which configuration to use for the strain relief clamp. This little piece comes out, and depending on the diameter of your cord will determine which configuration you use for the strain relief clamp. There's a little diagram inside the instructions which will tell you which one to use. Alright, so we've determined by reading the instructions that we're going to use this configuration for the strain relief clamp. There we go. Brand new replacement head by Powergrip. Alright, so that's all there is to it. Really not too difficult to replace the head on your RV's power cord. Find out how to get your Powergrip male replacement plug. Check us out online at camco.net.
Camco.
.net.